In this chapter, you learn everything you need to know to write high-quality tests in the clean architecture. I show you how to unit test your domain and the application layers, and we discussed which components you should be focusing on when it comes to unit testing. You learn how to write integration tests with real external services running inside of Docker using the test containers library, and you also learn how to write functional tests which give you a way to test your API from end to end, including authentication and authorization. Lastly, I showed you how to write architecture tests which allow you to enforce your software architecture and design rules using simple automated tests. And I'm confident that you are now ready to write a powerful testing suite for your application. Congratulations on making it to the end of this clean architecture course, and let's recap all of the things that you learned in the past few hours. You learned how to apply the clean architecture and build a production-ready application completely from scratch. You also learned the fundamentals of domain-driven design and how to create a rich domain model. You learned how to apply the CQRS pattern to implement your application use cases and also solve cross-cutting concerns. You learned how to introduce authentication into your system using an external identity provider called Keycloak. You also learned how to replace controllers with the more modern minimal APIs and what types of tests are valuable to write inside of the clean architecture. I want to thank you for spending the past few hours with me learning about the clean architecture and domain-driven design. You are now ready to build production-ready applications using all of the best practices that you learned inside of this course. If you think that you got value from this course and the things that I was teaching, I have a small favor to ask of you. I would really appreciate it if you can spend a minute of your time to leave a testimonial about this clean architecture course. You can do that by leaving a text or video testimonial under this video, and I'm going to be highlighting these testimonials on my website, which gets more than 50,000 views every month. I want to thank you one more time for placing your trust in me and buying this course, and I hope that you got a lot of value out of it. Until the next time we see each other, stay awesome.